Fidelity versus Schwab. Which brokerage is best in 2025? Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to pick between Fidelity and Charles Schwab, two of the biggest brokerages in 2025. Number 1. The fees and commissions. Both have $0 commissions on US stocks, ETFs, and options. Options contracts? About $0.65 per contract. It is identical. No annual or inactivity fees on either. Number 2. The platform and tools. Fidelity's Active Trader Pro is solid. Clean charts, advanced tools, and easy customization. The Schwab Street Smart Edge is a bit more powerful for serious traders, with better heat maps and real-time data. Both platforms have great mobile apps too. Number 3. The research and education. Fidelity shines with free stock research, screeners, and educational content for beginners. The Schwab has strong research too, including tools from Morningstar, CFRA, and more, but a bit more scattered. Number 4. The security and support. Both are SIPC insured, have 2FA, and offer excellent customer support. Phone, live chat, and branches. But Schwab edges out with more physical locations and slightly faster response times. So if you like this video, like if this helped you decide, comment your pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing breakdowns in 2025.